Hola, hoy vamos a descubrir una palabra en inglés que parece sencilla, pero que tiene muchos significados y usos diferentes. Over. Over. Puede usarse para hablar de posición, cantidad, movimiento, control y hasta para decir que algo ha terminado. Además de entender qué significa over en distintos contextos, vamos a ver también una lista de palabras que empiezan con over, como overcome, overthink u overreact, con sus significados y ejemplos reales. 1. Indica que algo está por encima de otra cosa, sin tocarla necesariamente. The painting hangs over the fireplace. El cuadro cuelga encima de la chimenea. The plane flew over the city. El avión voló sobre la ciudad. 2. Se usa con números para indicar que algo excede cierta cantidad. There were over 200 people at the concert. Había más de 200 personas en el concierto. She has over 10 years of experience. Tiene más de 10 años de experiencia. 3. Indica que se pasa por encima de algo, cruzándolo. He jumped over the fence. Saltó por encima de la cerca. The cat ran over the roof. El gato corrió sobre el tejado. 4. Se usa para decir que algo ha terminado. The game is over. El juego se acabó. It's not over yet. Todavía no ha terminado. 5. Implica hacer algo nuevamente o revisar. Let's go over the plan again. Vamos a repasar el plan otra vez. He read the letter over and over. Leyó la carta una y otra vez. 6. Usado para expresar que alguien tiene control o autoridad sobre algo. She has control over the budget. Ella tiene control sobre el presupuesto. Parents worry over their children. Los padres se preocupan por sus hijos. Now that we understand the different uses of over, let's take a look at some common words that begin with it, and how they're used in everyday English. 1. Overthink. To spend too much time analyzing or worrying about something. Stop overthinking the situation and just talk to her. 2. Overreact. To respond more emotionally or dramatically than necessary. I know you're upset, but I think you're overreacting to a small mistake. 3. Overwhelm. To affect someone very strongly, often with stress, emotion, or work. She was completely overwhelmed by the amount of work she had to do before the deadline. 4. Overestimate. To think something is greater or more capable than it actually is. She clearly overestimated her ability to finish the marathon without training. I think we overestimated how easy this project would be. 5. Overrate. Overrated. To think something is better or more important than it really is. In my opinion, that movie is completely overrated. The plot was predictable. 6. Overcook. To cook something for too long, making it dry or tough. The steak was so overcooked it tasted like rubber. 7. Overwork. To work too much or too hard. If you keep overworking yourself, you'll end up sick or burned out. 8. Overload. To give someone or something too much to handle, physically or mentally. The computer crashed because it was overloaded with too many applications running at once. 9. Oversee. To manage or supervise a process or activity. He was sent to oversee the new branch opening in Brazil. 10. Overrule. To reject or reverse a decision or opinion. The judge overruled the lawyer's objection during the trial. 11. Overseas. In or to a foreign country, especially across the ocean. My sister has been living overseas for almost 5 years. 12. Overtake. To go past another person or vehicle moving in the same direction. The blue car overtook us just before the exit ramp. 13. Overdue. Something expected or scheduled that hasn't happened yet. Her payment is 2 weeks overdue, and the company already sent a reminder. 14. Overnight. Happening in or lasting through the night, or suddenly. He stayed overnight at a friend's house after the storm. 15. Overalls. A type of clothing made from a single piece, often used for work. He wore blue denim overalls while fixing the car. 16. Overthrow. To remove someone from power by force. The rebels planned to overthrow the corrupt government. Overcome. She overcame her fear of flying. Overdo. Don't overdo it at the gym. Overlook. I overlooked the mistake in the report. Overhear. I overheard them talking about the surprise. Overwork. She's exhausted because she's been overworking. Overkill. That security system is total overkill. Overexpose. The photo was ruined because it was overexposed. And that's it for today. Now you know how over works and how to use all those powerful overwords in real English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.